Today is Monday, November 26th, and it's about 7:30 in the morning. So now I'm backing out of my driveway, getting ready to go back to Lippman's Party Supply. It's really windy and really cold today, which is fine. I can deal with it. I've got gloves and thermals and stuff like that. The traffic's not too bad this morning. It's flowing pretty good. Monday morning's a good time to kind of goof around and play music and get out my chimp puppet.
My donkey is retired, now I'll give him back. I love his furry tummy, now my donkey laughs.
I like doing that. It kind of cheers up some people, although it does frighten others. I do a lot of characters. I do robots, aliens, bugs, Santas, witches, Easter bunnies, Uncle Sam, little kids, old people, dogs, cats, fishes. I do a lot of stuff, but I have some favorite characters, but this is one of my favorites. It's so simple, but it's just really communicative, and it was really appealing. I think this tree. I love this tree. Well, it's all done. Got her done and it didn't rain, so I'm happy about that.